13 years, 5,000 patients, countless conditions, stories, breakthroughs, and setbacks. Today, I want to share the 5 lessons that fundamentally changed how I practice physiotherapy. These aren't things I learned in university. They're things I learned from patients. I'm Raj from Kinesio Rehab. Lesson 1. Listen more than you touch. In my early years, I was eager to treat. A patient walked in, I assessed quickly, and I started manual therapy as fast as possible. I thought my value was in my hands. I was wrong. My greatest clinical tool is my ears. When I learned to slow down and truly listen to the patient's story, their fears, their beliefs about their pain, their life circumstances, my treatment outcomes improved dramatically. Because treatment that addresses the whole person works better than treatment that addresses only the tissue. Lesson 2. The body is connected. A knee problem isn't always a knee problem. Sometimes it's a hip weakness problem. Sometimes it's an ankle mobility problem. Sometimes it's a lower back problem referring pain downward. Early in my career, I treated where it hurt. Now I treat where the problem originates. And those are often two very different places. Lesson 3. Mindset affects recovery speed. Two patients with the same injury can have completely different outcomes based on their beliefs about their pain and their recovery. The patient who believes recovery is possible and participates actively almost always outperforms the patient who is passive and pessimistic. This isn't magical thinking, it's neuroscience. Beliefs affect nervous system behavior, which affects pain, which affects movement, which affects healing. Lesson 4. Every patient is a unique case. I have treated thousands of lower back pain patients, and no two treatment plans have been identical because no two bodies are identical. No two histories are identical. No two lifestyles are identical. Cookbook treatment plans fail because they assume all patients with the same diagnosis need the same approach. They don't. Lesson 5. The best treatment makes itself unnecessary. My goal with every patient is to make them not need me. I teach them to understand their body, manage their symptoms, and maintain their health independently. A physiotherapist who creates dependent patients has failed. A physiotherapist who creates empowered patients has succeeded. These 5 lessons guide every treatment I deliver, and they're the foundation of how Kinesio Rehab operates. WhatsApp 012 934 9471 or visit kinesiorehab.com.my. Let's put these lessons to work for you. I'm Raj. Tomorrow, post-COVID rehabilitation. Why some people still can't breathe months later. See you there.